This is the Carketa Vehicle Pricing Logic Tutorial. Let's dive into how this tool can help you price vehicles competitively and stay ahead in your market. With Carketa's Vehicle Pricing Logic, you get real-time market insights, pulled straight from listings on dealership sites and third-party platforms, so you're always working with up-to-date data. The comparisons are precise. We match on year, make, model, and trim. No guesswork, just accurate, apples-to-apples insights. One of the best parts? You can set up the tool to match your dealership's unique strategy. Adjust the mileage range and competition radius to fit your specific market view. You can even decide how your pricing ranks against competitors. Want to position your vehicle as the third lowest price in the market? Just set the rank to 3, and Carketa suggests the optimal retail price along with a percentage to market, so you stay competitive and profitable. Inside the Vehicle Pricing Logic, you'll find all the key metrics you need in one place. First is the average market price, the typical price of similar vehicles. Second, average days on market, how long these vehicles are staying listed. Third, average mileage on those vehicles. And lastly, market day supply, an estimate of how long it would take to sell all similar vehicles in the market. Vehicle Pricing Logic also makes appraisals faster. When you're appraising, whether it's one car or 100, Carketa's real-time pricing insights are right there, ready to help. You'll know exactly where to price each vehicle to drive faster sales. So that's Carketa's Vehicle Pricing Logic in a nutshell. Smart, custom fit, and built to keep you competitive. You're pricing with confidence, backed by real-time, data-driven insights.